Hey there, everyone. Welcome back to the Automation Mentor, where we break down powerful tools and show you how to use them effectively. Today, we're diving into Make, a powerful no-code platform that lets you automate almost anything. By the end of this video, you'll have your first scenario up and running. So grab a cup of coffee, sit back, and let's get started. If you're new here, don't worry, we've got you covered. Think of Make as your personal assistant who connects all your favorite apps and services without breaking a sweat. Whether it's sending emails, managing spreadsheets, or posting updates to social media, Make can handle it all through something called scenarios. A scenario is just a fancy term for an automated workflow. In this tutorial, I'll walk you through step-by-step how to set up your very first scenario. We'll cover triggers, actions, filters, and even share some pro tips for testing and debugging along the way. Alright, let's jump right in. The first thing you need to do is log into your Make account. If you haven't signed up yet, head over to their website and create a free account. It only takes a minute. Once you're logged in, click the big purple Create a New Scenario button. This will take you to the canvas where the magic happens. This empty space might look intimidating at first, but trust me, it's super easy once you break it down. Every scenario starts with a trigger, so let's add one now. A trigger is what kicks off your automation. For example, if you want to send a message every time someone fills out a Google form, the form submission would be your trigger. Let's say we want our scenario to run whenever a new row is added to a Google Sheet. To set this up, search for Google Sheets in the Modules section, then choose the trigger called Watch Rows. Follow the prompts to connect your Google account and select the specific sheet you want to monitor. Don't forget to configure any additional settings, like which worksheet to watch or whether to include headers. Once everything looks good, hit Save. Now that we've got our trigger ready, it's time to decide what happens next. These are called actions. For instance, after detecting a new row in Google Sheets, maybe you want to send an email notification using SMTP. To add an action, click the plus icon next to the trigger, search for email built in the Modules section, and pick the Send Email action. Here's how to configure it. First, enter your email provider's SMTP server address. For example, Gmail uses smtp.gmail.com. Next, fill in the SMTP details with the information from your email provider. If needed, consult your support team. Then input your email account's username and password. If you're using Gmail, you might need an app-specific password instead of your regular login. Once connected, fill in the email details. Just like before, you can use dynamic fields to pull data from the Google Sheets trigger, like inserting a name or value from the spreadsheet into the email body or subject. But wait, what if you only want certain rows to trigger the action? That's where filters asterisk come in handy. Filters act as gatekeepers, deciding whether or not the rest of the scenario should run based on specific conditions. For example, you could set a filter so that emails are only sent if a particular column contains the word urgent. Simply click the filter icon between modules, define your condition, and voila, you've added precision to your workflow. Before you go live, it's crucial to test your scenario to make sure everything works smoothly. Click the play button to run a test execution. You'll see real-time logs showing each step of the process. If something doesn't work as expected, don't panic. Double-check your connections, review your configurations, especially SMTP settings like server, port, and authentication, and tweak until it's perfect. Remember, debugging is part of the fun. And that's it, you've officially created your first Make scenario. To recap, start with a trigger, connect actions to perform tasks, use filters to add conditional logic, and test thoroughly to iron out any kinks. And now, why not try building your own scenario? It's completely free with a Make account, no strings attached. I've dropped the link in the comments for you. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tutorials. We'd also love to hear from you. Drop a comment below and tell us about your use cases for Make. See you in the next video.